here in Milwaukee with a co-pilot this time. Got Amber with me, and we're going to the Brewtown Rumble here, as I said, in Milwaukee. So bringing a couple bikes, my bobber, and the CX500 Grandfather's Axe. You guys have seen that, of course. So just getting the day started. Should be pretty good. Excited to go there. We'll have a bunch of merch at the booth.
Gotta get some coffee first.
Yeah, coffee first. So priority number one. That's what we're gonna do now, and then go meet up with a couple friends, and we'll be at the show. It's also kind of a weird thing. I have a booth this time as a vendor. This is gonna be the first time I've attended a show as a vendor, so I feel really official. Kind of strange though. We're at Cream City Moto. Place is rad. There's Tiger. Spot a sweet brick house sticker right there. I'm loving this thing. This is like I had a 50, and then I graduated from that to an XR80 exactly like this. Same year, like it had the purple and stuff, the purple and red. Like this could be my old bike. If it had like an old Third Eye Blind sticker on it or something like that from when I was a kid, then we would know. But with everything here, I'm just like, I'm in love. This, memories. I know it's hard to hear, but Tiger just brought his bike by. We're gonna do some wiring here live at the show. We're gonna have a little fun with this. I don't know how it's gonna go, but we're gonna try. All right, well that concludes the show. definitely a good time here. I think we got the information out to a few people, so definitely gonna try to come back next year and do more shows with a booth, talk about everything that we're doing, just have some fun. So hopefully you guys like this one. Let me know if you guys want to see more shows, more trips like that. See if I can make it happen. But anyway, hope you guys like this one and hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.